Everyone, hello, and let's make a house icon. First of all, we need a square shape. We take a rectangle tool and with shift and left mouse button make this. Then we make choose star tool, and if you just click left button, you can see maybe this form. And if we need triangle, we need on the keyboard where you can see arrows, push down arrow, and you will see triangle. Then press shift and you can see this effect. Then set at the center this, like a square, and turn up our triangle here, and then with Alt do this, Alt and direction tool this. So this looks like a house, but we need another detail, add the detail. So we choose a rectangle tool and add rectangle like this. Then we select triangle and rectangle like this by direction tool and click there. Okay, then we select this form and our square form, and then click here once more. So this is our house, but make another things. First of all, turn up these dots. If you select direct selection tool and select these dots like this and this, you can see with the select by left mouse button, or click like this left button and with shift once more click mouse left button. So then you make sure that these dots are select, and then on the keyboard turn up arrow like this. Okay, then you can see our you can see our house, but another one detail. We select our house and then choose direct selection tool, and you can see small rounds. Right now they are all select, and if you want choose one, these round, and by left mouse button move, you can see that it changes for this figure. That's it. This is our house icon. Thanks for watching. See ya.